And I'm Pepper Fairbanks.
Lomax identified. Alert, Dr. Nefarious.
A long-time soap opera known for its edgy writing and style.
I have triangulated Captain Quark's position. Sink into your navigator. Now.
Sitting on the sidelines while everyone else marches into certain death.
Sit on the sidelines and let this baby go to waste? It's one of those cool smoke bombs the spies use. You know, for making quick and fancy getaways. Oh, forget it. Here, it's the most ingenious, foolproof plan yet. The Nefarious Space Station. An impenetrable fortress fraught with danger and, windows. Using my feminine wiles, I was able to convince the custodial staff to temporarily reroute the South Wing trash chute. This will be our point of entry. With the motion sensors deactivated, we should have smooth sailing into the South Wing. Harnessing 8 years of high school theater workshops, I will remain undercover as the lovely Shanna. My objective will be to escort you here. Oops. That's a vacation picture from the Mactar Resort Single Mingle. Don't know how that got in there. I'll escort you here to a conveniently exposed thermal exhaust port. We will then endure rigorous calisthenics until we have lost enough body fat to squeeze through the port.
Maybe I should handle this part of the mission.
Sure, that sounds okay. Now, that port leads directly to Nefarious's personal quarters. Using the gigamorphic holoray, you'll be able to scan him and create a holographic disguise for Ratchet. With the disguise engaged, we should be able to breeze past the guards and infiltrate mission control, where we'll use the main security terminal to atomize every docked ship in the fleet. With Nefarious trapped like a rat and the clock safe, we can contact galactic authorities so that I may bask in the awesome glow of their admiration.
Alright, I have to ask, what's with the nurse's outfit?
Ingenious, isn't it? It's part of an elaborate deception plan. It mostly involves a lot of hip swinging and puppy dog eyes.
Well, white's certainly your color.
Oh, thanks. I always fancied myself a winter. Here we are. The final showdown between good and evil. Can you smell that? That's drama, baby.
I smell something, and it's definitely not drama.
Hey, look on the bright side. At least we're not being squished to death by the pistons. Muscles aching, arms burning, calves looking good.
Blockage detected in trash compactor 714. Shutting down compactor.
That's it. Did you hear that? I did it! Ha-ha! Technology! I just made you mine! That one was a little too close.
The troopers will be here any moment. We need to keep moving.
The mainland sector is crawling with Nefarious schools. This might call for a little finesse. Watch and learn. Hello there. I'm Nurse Shannon. This is Dr. Archibald von Fuzzy Pants and his robotic intern, Gundolf Metal Sprocket. Dr. Nefarious is expecting us.
You are not authorized. Prepare to die, Nurse Shannon.
How are they not all?
You do not say us.
head for Nefarious' office. We'll,
Computer, take dictation.
Go ahead, Doctor.
Things to do once the clock is under my control. Number 1, double-cross remaining Valkyries and retire Lord Vorsalon. Number 2, re-establish vendetta against organic life forms. And number 3, Iron Suns.
Hunger is complete. I'm returning to the rendezvous point.
Must have forgot to tune the auto-scaler. Ah, well, close enough. Try your vocal modulator.
Test.
1, 2, it works! Now, let's finish this and go home. Where are you, Lawrence?
Yes, sir, you rang. I really am quite busy, sir. What do you need? The search for Ratchet has our armada stretched thin, but we do have a small fleet on the outer perimeter. They should arrive just as soon as they've completed their patrol, sir. I'm afraid not, sir. All attempts to contact your lady friend have been unsuccessful. Perhaps she thought about marrying you and decided to make a run for it. Right away, sir.
Time for phase 3. When we get to the hub, I'll stack the guards while you gain access to the hypernova defense laser.
Got it. How do I do that?
I'm not 100% on that one, but I'm sure you'll think of something. Just remember, keep it on the low. Avert your eyes from the exalted one. Nothing to see here.
Take him to the brink. Get lost. Annihilate him. Take him away.
Okay, Doctor.
Annihilate him. Annihilate him.
I have no traitor.
Take him away. 1731. Please authenticate.
Traitor identified. Stand by for detainment and intent.
Dr. Nefarious, you didn't have to come all the way over here. The hypernova defense laser is quite capable of clearing the debris.
Prisoners released.
Would you like to test it out? The controls are yours, sir. Where are you, Lawrence?
Yes, sir.
The hypernova defense laser must be...
Was there something you needed, sir? No word on Ratchet or the Elder yet, sir, but we can assume unnecessarily evil initiative Omega-91 failed quite miserably. Oh, I'm afraid a fleet landing would be impossible at the moment. What with all the big scary rocks in the way. You do remember asteroids, don't you, sir? I'm conducting an omni-scan of the Orvis chamber, sir. I must say, the machinery here is quite advanced compared to the malfunctioning bucket of boson I'm accustomed to dealing with.
Perhaps there is a way to clear the landing platform.
The defense laser is behind the
blocking the landing platform. We will need to dispose of it before the fleet initiate landing protocols.
Lawrence is standing by to call in the fleet. Where are you, Lawrence?
Yes, sir, you ready? Was there something you needed, sir? Oh, goody. I get to press a button. And they said my intellect would be squandered under your employ. Stand by for fleet arrival.
Traitor identified. Stand by for detainment and interrogation.
Sir, you mustn't! One crack in that ship's reactor realize the entire...
Prisoners released.
Sir!
Come on, we gotta keep moving.
I may need a little backup here. Oftentimes when I say this, it results in catastrophe, but what the heck? Mission accomplished!
You're not Dr. Nefarious!
Nefarious, you can't use the clock. Nothing you can want is worth risking the universe.
Oh, but there is. And I have you three to thank for it. Initiate Super Wavy Flashback Effect! Thanks to you and your dim-witted friend here, I found myself drifting through the cosmos. Have you ever spent time on an asteroid? It's surprisingly boring! Nothing for a villain to do but dwell on his failure. Then, one day, the Fungoid saved us. But still, failure burned inside my circuitry. How could I have been defeated by the likes of you? Why had the universe been tipped in your favor? I embarked on a crusade to the inner recesses of what you call the soul. I studied Fungoid meditation, attended anger management class, dabbled in yoga, attended more anger management class, until finally I went on a spirit walk on planet Quantos. It was here I finally found what I had been missing, the Great Clock! With the clock under my control, I'll be able to wrong all the rights in the universe. Every villain who has had a stuntman will get a do-over. Every protagonist's triumph will be reversed, until finally a new present is created, in which the heroes always lose!
Hang on, cadets! Well, that was 5 bolts wasted.